Hello boys and girls, how are you? This is teacher Laurentino once again, and in this video we're going to talk about used to. Remember, used to. Okay, so used to is something very common and very easy to use in English, uh, but sometimes it's very confused. So used to, we use it to talk about an activity that we did in the past but that we no longer do at the moment. And that could be because we don't have time, time, money, money, or maybe we are not young anymore, okay, or we're not children anymore. So it is very, very important, okay. So used to is to we use it to refer to an activity that we did in the past but that we no longer do right now at the present moment. So it has this use, right? So for example, when I was a child, I used to, right, I used to play soccer, right? I used to play soccer. Notice this, I used to goes together and this one goes after, right? So we have the verb. So when I was, simple past, verb be, right? Was, because the pronoun or the subject is I. So when I was a child, I used to play soccer, but I do not play soccer anymore because, well, first of all, I'm not a child and I don't have time now. Okay, very good. So, for example, Maria used to study at uh, ben, Benito Juarez elementary, primaria, right? Primaria Benito Juarez. So Maria used to study, right? Maria used to study at Benito Juarez Elementary. Okay, but she doesn't anymore because she is an adult now. Adult, right? She's an adult now. So you notice. So it's an activity that she did, okay, but that she no longer does, okay? And sometimes if we want to ask a question, we can use it with did, right? So for example, did you, as a like a normal verb. So did you used to play soccer when you were a child? So for example, did you used to, right? So it is in kind of simple present because we have the question did, right? So did you used to play soccer when you were a child? Yes, I did, right? No, I didn't. And don't forget that whenever you negate, you need to verify or to correct the information. No, I didn't. I used to play basketball, right? So, did you used to play soccer when you were a child? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. I used to play soccer, right? Okay, very, very important. Oops, not that one. I want like this basketball. Okay. So now we can use it also. We can use used to with questions, right? Question words. So WH question words. So for example, where, the question word where did you used to play soccer when you were a child? Where did you used to play soccer when you were a child? So you can answer, right? I used to play soccer when I was a child in school. For example, so once again, there you are. And remember that if you want to talk about third person singular, it is the same thing. You just substitute the pronoun. In this case, for example, I, right? Or you, he, she, it, etc., etc. There you are again. So don't forget, guys, that if you have any questions, you can always contact me, and by email, or you can call me, right? So you can contact me at 5512602603, or you can email me at laurentino.lopez@prestigeenglish.org.mx. Guys, have a phenomenal night. Okay? So, see ya. Bye bye.